To all my friends that are in HR, I apologize in advance for this, but I have to say HR is not your friend. Who hires HR? Think about it. The company hires HR. Who keeps the people in HR? The company keeps people in HR. Who fires the people in HR? The company fires the people in HR. So when you're dealing with HR, you want to keep your cards close to your vest. You want to be very careful what you say. And remember that they are not your friend. So many people make this mistake. They say, I'm going to go to HR to talk about it. I need some help. I'm having an interpersonal communication issue. I have an issue with my boss. I'm going to go to HR. I'm talking about executives that say, I'm going to go to HR because I'm having an issue with my boss. This is not where you're going to find help. You are not going to find help with HR. You're going to find help with an executive coach. You're going to find help with a friend. You're going to find help with a colleague. You're going to find help with a therapist. You're going to find help within yourself, but you are not going to find help with HR. You're likely going to lose some credibility by going to HR. You're going to lose some of your leverage by going to HR. And you may well lose some dollars by going to HR because your pocketbook is tied to actions that you take with the corporation. And by going to HR, you can affect that. So I cannot emphasize again, HR is not your friend.